Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the premium device, LG 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹𝗶𝗺𝗿. The LG 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃 builds on the 2021 version, which was already a great laptop. LG engineers went to great lengths to create a notebook that is both light and portable. LG managed to shrink it marginally, although its weight went up by a smidgen. The chassis is made of magnesium alloy through and through, which makes it tough and a good heat dissipator. There's a bunch of smaller improvements, like an anti-glare IPS display and a Full HD webcam. Its 16-inch screen is a Splendid matte display with a 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution. The bezel on the 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃 is incredibly thin on all sides, which is even more impressive. The processor is now a much faster 12th generation Intel Core CPU paired with speedy DDR5 memory. The IRC graphics that power it are for casual gaming or playing popular titles at low resolution. The LG 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃 includes a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. The touchpad, on the other hand, is big but without any physical buttons. Despite its physical attributes, the LG 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃 has plenty of connectors. When you consider that it managed to fit a Full HD webcam with IR capabilities and dual microphones. The storage has also been upgraded to PCIe Gen 4.0 while Windows 11 becomes the default operating system. The two speakers are located on the base of the laptop and are therefore downward firing. Its 80 watt-hour battery is larger than what you'd find on rival notebooks. It carries a relatively high price, competing head-to-head against the Apple MacBook Pro 16. It has a lower price and a better battery life, making it a balanced purchase, especially as a business laptop. Until the end of July 2022, the LG 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃 comes with a free 17-inch USB-C portable monitor. The Plus View, which complements the laptop perfectly and carries a suggested retail price of $300. Other options include 8GB or 32GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and a Core i5 CPU. Users can also choose between an obsidian black and a silver aluminum color scheme. Conclusion: the biggest selling points are the featherweight design paired with the 17-inch display. It makes it the rare 17-inch laptop that still qualifies as an ultra-portable. Its MIL STD810G certification also helps in this respect. That was enough to earn last year's model top marks. It has returned with even more to offer. New Intel hardware means better performance and even longer battery life. While new features like a 1080p webcam and facial recognition make it even easier to secure your work. It's a laptop that delivers on all fronts, with solid performance and great usability. It's a little more expensive, but it's still our top choice for big-screen general-purpose laptops. The LG 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃's base price starts at $1,600, approximately 125,000 rupees. Thank you so much guys and see you in the next video.